Good morning, girlfriends. I just got up, okay? And I wanted you to see exactly what my under eyes look like when I get up. Now, I am going to be tackling this issue with some other things, but right now, this is what I've been doing in the morning for this puffy. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, it is just ridiculous. This one is not as bad. This one is always bad. So the first thing I have to do is do my Flonase. And you probably use this too. And that really does help kind of open up my head a little bit. I really need to go to the doctor's what I need to do. But I'll be going there soon. I have an appointment coming up. So I've been trying to wait for that appointment. So, what do you think? Look at that. That is too puffy. I do love my coffee, and I am going to add caffeine to my body and to my eyes. And that seems to help a little bit. So, the very first thing that I'm going to do is my roller. And so I've had this in the freezer. I let it sit out a few minutes, and you can roll it and just kind of push all that fluid. Hopefully it's just fluid. But this would be the first thing that I do. This feels so good. Once you get it out of the freezer, your little ice roller, let it sit a few minutes because it will be very, very, very cold. And so you don't want to have it too cold, but you do want it to be cool. So I'll let it sit there for about, a few minutes to de-thaw. And then I do this. This side here is so bad. But this is exactly what I look like in the morning when I get up. And this side, I'm going to have to do something with these, I know, at some point. And I've been looking at different things. So whatever I come up with, I will definitely share with you. So right now, that's step number 1. Next step, I'm going to use this Quasha. And oh, this feels so good to your skin. Anyway, it just really does. It kind of pushes all that lymphatic drainage out of your face in the morning. And I have just recently started using this, so I'm sure as I use it every day, maybe it will improve. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I can feel the water. You can feel it. It comes out up here. So, this might be a good trick for you as well. It does feel really good to your face. And you can push it up right over your eye, just like this. Because some of that puffiness could be up here in your lid as well. I've noticed that too. How do y'all feel about getting older? Oh, I did not have this issue. In the last year, it's really gotten worse. Okay, there we go. That feels so much better. So I decided that this bounce back, since it is something that kind of tightens the skin and gets into that dermis, I've decided I was going to give this a try, just a little bit, under my eyes every day. Yes, it's very creamy. It does absorb. It's not sticky or tacky. And it does feel good. Now, I do give myself a few minutes to let this do its thing. I like to do things slowly in the morning. I just do. Now, go get you some coffee and let this settle. You got your coffee? I got mine. I love it. And now, once that's settled, I do like to come back over and kind of push this out again. Oh, it feels so good. And it's still a little cool, so I'll count that out. There we go. There. Oh, gosh, that feels wonderful. Yes. Now I'm going to use this natrium. It is a peptide eye serum. So really, really nice. Actually, I found this in Walmart, and I just tried it on a fluke, and I really do like it. It's just a cream, and I really love to kind of place it right here on this old bag. I wish it was a bag full of money, don't you? Yeah, that would be awesome. I'm being silly. Look, when you're dealing with under eyes, it's really hard. It is. It's really hard to find a good balance. This side, it's not as bad as this side. This side, it just wears me out. It really does, because I'm always trying to figure out, getting up in the morning, I know I'm going to have it, and it does take a little time to, get going in the morning. So the very next thing I'm going to use is my Dew Effect, because I do love it. It does help to plump up fine lines. So it's a clear liquid. You won't even know it's there. And yes, I layer these right on top of each other. And I just kind of pop it on out there. You don't use a whole lot. You really don't need a whole lot of this. And then that's that. And then the last thing, of course, is my eye pads. And so I can already look at this side and see that it's getting better. This side, it takes a while to do that. And you can see I use these. I do use them every single day. So let's just put these on. These are golden goodness. And you want to take this inner corner part right here. And what I do is just place it like that. And then get another one out of here. I've got to order some more. I got to look in my cabinet first, though, just to see if I have any first. I probably do. Because a lot of times I'll order 2 at a time. Because I do use them every single day. Now, these feel so good. The cooling effect of them is amazing. It almost feels like a relief. Oh, yes. Now, I'm going to go finish my coffee. I'm going to go pet my doggies. And let this do what it's supposed to do for me, okay? It's supposed to be the best thing ever, and it is. So, I'll see you in a few minutes. Ta-da! Here we are. It's not perfect, but it's so much better. Take care of your under eyes. That is like the biggest nemesis that I have, is this one. This side over here drives me crazy. So, but it does look much better today than it did when I started this morning trying to fix it, okay? So, we are what we are. I'm 63 years old, if you're wondering. So, it comes along with the territory for sure. All right, my friends, I hope y'all have a fabulous day. Don't count yourself out. Get out there. Change your look. Change your hair color. Go for it, girl. Just go for it. What do we got to lose? We don't. At this age in my life, I don't have anything to lose. So I really enjoy helping other women feel confident and beautiful. So if I've accomplished that, then I'm a happy girl. I will see y'all later. Have a great day.